What's up, everybody? Fat Boy Dan here. We are out here at Academy Sports and Outdoors, man. I want to tell you guys about this little event going on tomorrow, Saturday, the 22nd. It's going to be good, man. It's going to be good. Academy, I'll tell you what, man, they're coming outside of the box. And what I mean by that, man, is, you know, they're doing more things for the great outdoors. As you can see, Academy's got the boats, everything else you might just need. But what's going down tomorrow, man, is definitely right over here in this little side parking lot is going down. The mud duck boat, actually the mud duck boat will be on display right over there. You heard that right. Fat Boy Dan's Great Outdoors. Mud duck boat will be on display. Y'all come out, check it out. Myself, I'll also be hosting a kids and adults casting contest. Now, we're not going to be having a casting contest to see who can cast all the way across the parking lot because, well, we don't want to hurt nobody. We don't want to get it all crazy. So this is the first year trying it out. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a flipping, pitching, casting contest. I got a little course set up for the children. They'll have some little pools out here. I'll probably put some water in it. Some frisbees. They'll have to kind of, you know, hit each frisbee. And there'll be a first place prize for the kids and a second place prize for the kids. A $25 gift card for the first prize. $15 prize for the second. And what I'll do is all the kids who was able to make it to the third edition of the casting contest, they'll get their name into a bucket. The kids who can make it to the second edition, they'll get their names in the second edition bucket. The kids who can only make it to the first, well, they're out then, basically. And at the end of the event, I will pull a name out of the people who made it to the third edition of it. They'll win, whoever gets pulled out, they'll win the $25 gift card. Same with the second position, they'll win the $15. For the adults, we're going to be doing a casting contest as well, a little bit better setup. I got one that's going to have to shoot through the grass. Then you'll have to maybe flip it through the trees. And then the third one's going to be you're going to shoot the jig underneath the dock into a pan. It can be done. You're going to have to do this in under 10 casts. I put it together last night. I was able to do it. It was pretty cool. It's a little challenging. Same situation for the adults. If you can make it all the way to the third one, you know, then you get your name in that bucket for the first prize. If you only make it to the second course, you get your name into that. But if you can't pass the first course, you're out of it. So at the end of the event again, I will pull for the guys who all made it to the end. I'll pull a name out of the bucket. That's who's going to win a $50 Academy gift card. The same with the second prize. But anyways, more. Griffin Bike Park's going to be set right back over here too. Griffin Bike Park's teaming up. They're coming out. They're going to have a little course for the kids to ride. Now inside we got some vendors setting up. Now the vendors won't be selling their stuff. They'll actually be promoting what they're doing. You know, like Bass Unlimited. The guys know that they're going beyond Bass Unlimited. Y'all know I had a meeting with them a while back. Bass Unlimited will be setting up in there. They'll have some lews reels that you can sign up. You can sign up to try to win, which is going to be pretty cool. We got another guy who had the Grand Slam. Got the turkey, you know, where you hit like each one of the turkeys. Something like that. He's going to have some mounts on, taxidermist, Dobbs Park, Vigo County Parks, Butcher's Bait Club. You know, we got that little bait club going where, you know, you need the minnows and everything. Butcher's Bait Club is going to be set up inside there. Also got one of the other local guys, man, Different Breed Lures. He makes little custom little lures and stuff I'll be using as well. He'll be setting up inside there, promoting what they do. I think we got like 12 vendors all together is going to be in here, man. I'm forgetting some of their names, but they'll definitely be posted in the description below. So that's kind of giving it, man. It's kind of like branching outside of the box and sitting there saying, hey, boom. But like I said, it's kind of cool that the mud duck's going to be on display, man. Y'all know me, Fat Boy Dan. Yes, I do work here. I love this place. I'm trying to live the outdoors. Y'all know I love the outdoors already. But what's better than working in a place that you love, man? I'll tell you what, man. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to get off here. I want to keep it sweet, simple, and short. More details are posted below. Y'all got to come out and check it out, man. I know Bass Unlimited's going to have a lot of their guys out there as well. See if they got what it takes to conquer my little fishing thing I put together. Y'all like that? Look at that. Look at that. You like that? I do, man. Right here it is, man. Academy's also going to be having some great sales going on as well. I think we got kayaks right now. Kayaks. You want some kayaks? $149.99. Some other great deals. There's actually some clearance going out throughout the store. I know there's a few fishing stuff going on, man. Anyways, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. tomorrow, Saturday, June 22nd, is going down. Rain or shine, the guys can set up in there. I think the rain's actually going to hold off for a little bit. We're probably going to be able to have it still casting, man. Come out, check out the mud duck, see what it's all about, man. Terre, Haute, Indiana. Y'all live to fish to live. And hopefully you never know when later on down the road, we might just get some of the bigger names up here. I need to get a hold of Steve Douglas and see exactly what it's going to take for him to come down here at another time and date and see if we get a little meet and greet with Steve Douglas going on with that. Some of the other guys, man, any other guys are later on wanting to do, man, y'all want to come down here, maybe set up in the future, or you got something planned you would like to do, please let me know. I'll see if I can pass that on to the some of the other higher guys. I want to start branching outside, man. I think it'd be cool to get Steve Douglas down here for like a little meet and greet. Maybe, I think in the off season coming up, I think we got something. I don't know if he knows yet, but I think we might be teaming up with Aaron Whitney. I don't know if Aaron knows yet, but hey, it's going down, man. I love y'all. Show your support, man. Come out. Fat Ends, Great Outdoors, Academy Sports and Outdoors, Bass Unlimited. Y'all live to fish, fish to live.